Hello YouTube. Today we are going to learn how to repair a LED bulb. To repair the LED bulb we need the tools shown on the screen. First, take apart the top of the bulb. You can remove the top cap by pressing or squeezing on the sides of the bulb. Untwist the LED legs and remove all the LED. Remove the two pins from the bottom. You can use a screwdriver or any tool to remove those. Take out the circuit board and untwist the LED legs from the circuit. Take out the 3 LED and insert new LED in place of old LED. Here I am testing the LED with a digital multimeter. Set your digital multimeter on a continuity testing mode. Touch the black probe on the negative terminal of the diode and red probe on the positive terminal of the diode to see the LED is lighting up. Test all the 3 LED to see if they are in good condition. Now, install the LED onto the cover. Twist the negative pin of the first LED with the positive pin of the second LED and negative pin of the second LED with the positive pin of the third LED. Now, twist the positive pin of the first LED to the two negative legs of the diode. And negative pin of the last LED to the two positive legs of the diode like shown in the circuit diagram. Once again test the LED to check if they were arranged correctly. Insert back the circuit into the bulb. Insert the small piece of cardboard to avoid short circuit. Close the cap of the bulb. Now testing the bulb. It's working. Thanks for watching.